Ever wondered why our bodies need calcium? Or perhaps, what would happen if we didn't get enough of it? Let's dive into this. Calcium, an essential mineral, is the cornerstone of our health. It strengthens our bones and teeth, ensuring they stay robust and durable. But that's not all. It also facilitates our muscle function, making every heartbeat and movement possible. Calcium even plays a part in nerve transmission, carrying messages from your brain to every part of your body. And let's not forget its role in blood clotting, a crucial process for healing. So it's clear calcium isn't just important, it's crucial. But where do we get it from? You might immediately think of milk and dairy products when you hear calcium, but there are many other sources too. Let's start with chia seeds. These tiny, nutrient-dense seeds pack a punch when it comes to calcium. Just 2 tablespoons contain about 18% of your recommended daily intake. And guess what? They're incredibly versatile. Sprinkle them on your yogurt, blend them into your smoothies, or use them as an egg substitute in baking. On top of that, they are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids and fiber, making them a true superfood. Next up are almonds. An ounce of these crunchy delights provides about 8% of your daily calcium needs. But that's not all. Almonds are also rich in healthy fats, protein, and vitamin E. Whether you enjoy them raw, roasted, or as almond butter, they make a delicious and nutritious snack. Also in this segment, but certainly not least, is tofu. This plant-based protein is a calcium powerhouse. Half a cup of tofu can provide up to 43% of your daily calcium requirement, depending on the brand. Plus, tofu is a blank canvas that absorbs the flavors of whatever you're cooking. From stir-fries to smoothies, there are endless ways to include it in your meals. Amazing, isn't it? But the list doesn't end here. There are even more calcium-packed foods out there. Ready for more? Let's continue our journey into the world of calcium-rich foods. Next on our list is spinach. This leafy green is not just a favorite of Popeye the Sailor Man, but it's also a treasure trove of calcium. 1 cup of cooked spinach offers about 1/4 of your daily calcium requirements. Not a fan of cooked spinach? No problem. Toss some fresh spinach leaves into your salads or sandwiches and you're good to go. Plus, spinach is also loaded with fiber, iron, and vitamin A, making it a superfood in its own right. Moving on, let's dive into the world of seafood with salmon. This pink-hued fish is not only rich in heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids, but it's also an excellent source of calcium. Just half a fillet of salmon provides nearly half of your daily calcium needs. Grill it, bake it, or add it to your pasta. Salmon is versatile and delicious. Last but not least, let's talk about beans. From black beans to chickpeas, these humble legumes are a powerhouse of nutrition, including calcium. A cup of canned white beans, for example, provides about 2/3 of the daily recommended calcium intake. And the best part? Beans are a staple in countless recipes around the world, from hearty stews to refreshing salads. And there you have it, 6 wonderful sources of calcium that go beyond your typical glass of milk. Now that you're armed with this knowledge, you're on your way to a healthier, calcium-rich diet. We've covered some ground today, haven't we? We've delved into the significance of calcium, an essential mineral that's vital for our bones and teeth, and even plays a role in nerve function and muscle contraction. It's an important cog in the wheel of our overall health. We then took a culinary journey together, exploring a variety of foods that are chock full of calcium. Remember the leafy greens like kale and spinach? Or the dairy delights like milk, cheese, and yogurt? Let's not forget the fishy favorites like salmon and sardines, and the surprising sources like beans, tofu, and almonds. Each one a powerhouse of calcium, ready to boost your diet. But it's not just about knowing these foods, it's about integrating them into your daily meals. A splash of milk in your morning coffee, a handful of almonds for a snack, a cheesy dish for lunch, or a serving of salmon for dinner. There are countless ways to infuse your meals with these calcium-rich foods. And don't forget, it's not a sprint, it's a marathon. Small, consistent changes in your diet can make a big difference over time. Remember, a balanced diet is the key to good health, so go ahead and make the most of these calcium-rich foods.